know that your brain grows every time you try something new?
Really? Even when I play?
Yes! Learning happens through every experience, even when you're having fun. A child's brain develops more in the first 6 years than any other time. That's why Lollypop Preschool isn't about tests or lessons. It's about experiences that build curiosity, confidence, and creativity. For over 32 years, Lollypop Preschool has created meaningful experience for children with a curriculum inspired by international standards and guided by passionate expat teachers. Every day is filled with discovery, laughter, and growth.
Teacher, look!
That's beautiful! You did such a great job! Preschool is where every experience matters. Come and see it yourself. Join a free trial class at Lollypop